Yeah, we at the beach, guys, chilling. Got Pedro right here. Y'all know Pedro from Phoenix in the Pack. He on bed. The bulldog. Got my son here. We chilling. See the background? Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the sun. See the sun over the buildings. It's all far Rockaway Beach. Oh, yeah, you good? Oh, look. Yeah, I know we at the beach. When you see the seagulls, they right up on us. Think we gonna feed them. Yeah, they think we gonna feed them. You know how greedy they are. And you got people over there. You see my daughters. I got both my daughters. Yeah, we all here. My son is here. My adopted son from the street that I just, I look out for him. He here. So they finally get to meet. It's going alright so far, but I think my son is a little jealous, so I hang out with him more. It's because he lives here in my house, and my son is in college, and he's just doing a lot, My wife right here. Got my wife in the middle. To the left is my young daughter, Jade. She 11. And to the right is my daughter, I'm sorry. To the left is my daughter, Joy. She 11. To the right is Jade. She's 17. And the middle is my wife that produced those two beautiful girls. Well, I got it. Don't drop me. Don't drop me. This ain't. Yeah, my phone drops over. It's my 11-year-old. She gotta fix herself a little bit. It's my 11-year-old right here. My son right here. He don't want to wet himself too much, but it's my big, beautiful son. He's 22 years old. And that's my hood son. He not even like, you know when a nigga just take a nigga under his wing, that's who he is. You feel me? But this is my blood son right here.
What's up?
The most amazing kid in the world.
Oh, come here.
Oh, my boy 22.
21.
Oh, 21, my bad. Damn, that is, you know how y'all get, man. When you got a lot of kids, you get old, man. Y'all forget, but yeah. Oh, he younger than, so he's 21. He got a long life ahead of him. But look at him, man. You know why I say he older? Because he acts like he's older. He's like he handles his responsibilities. He's in college. He's doing all the right things. He's working security. He's studying to become an officer. He's gonna be good, man. If he keep following these footsteps, he don't drink, he don't smoke. Most people in the hood wish their kids to be like this, and I got blessed. And then you got y'all already know Pedro, and my boy, man. I can't be more proud of that. They both 21 years old. It's the first time they ever met. You know what I'm saying? So what I do is I'm in the hood, so if I see a young nigga that's trying to change, I'll put him on my way, take him on vacation with me, take him to events, movies, whatever. Act like a father figure to children in the hood that do not have their father. I'll change your life, guys, so please, attempt to finish. It's not hard. Be selfish. That ain't my nigga. I ain't having sex with me. So he's a big butt. He ain't supposed to be, so I ain't I got my own. Nah, man, don't think like that. Think like, yo, I'm gonna do this. This is my 17-year-old beautiful. She's Puerto Rican and Indian. Dad model, baby. She only can model around dad because I will hurt a little nigga. This is my baby Jade. Always coloring her hair, but she's beautiful. She's so short too. Woo! Go Jade! Yay! Dora the Explorer. Looks like Dora. Look at her. So we're in Rockaway Beach, guys. We're in Rockaway Beach. My wife about to float away. She panics when the water get all over her too. Look at mama. And my 10-year-old. Oh, I'm loving it, guys. This is life, man. I got all the people I love around me. People I just met recently that I put under my wing as a big brother, father figure. And he appreciates it, man. Because a lot of niggas in the hood that's called themselves big homies, big this and that, but they will not help a family out in the hood. If a woman is a single woman, and the kid don't got a dad, man, step up, man. Be a fucking real big homie and a leader, nigga, and show them a different way. Tell them niggas, yo, live to be, I dare you, I challenge you to live to be old. You understand? That should be the new challenge, which I heard from my man Hassan Campbell, and I heard from other people. So, you know, that's not for me, but you know what? I rock with that slogan. You know what I'm saying? I challenge you to be old, to grow old, not die young, because it's easy to die young nowadays, but it's hard to grow old. I'm 36 years old, guys. No, sorry, guys. I keep saying this. I'm 37. I was drinking a little bit. My bad. I'm 37 years old. You know what I'm saying? I've been carrying myself ever since I had my first child, which is my son. Ever since I had my first child, I changed my life. I stopped rolling with the gang shit because I was blood. I stopped doing all that shit, man. That shit is corny. I'm going to be a man. I'm going to be a leader of my household and not have another man leading me. You understand? Which is so-called big homie. Not with it, guys. Not with it. But I just want y'all to hear this, man, from me. This is what life is about. Oh yeah, he got one. You know what I'm saying? That's my stepson. Not my stepson, my adopted from the hood. You know? So I'm trying to get him to stop all that. What we gonna do? We gonna do it little by little, but hey, at least he here with us doing it instead of somewhere else. You feel me? And we in the beat, so this is the life, guys. This is the life. My girl's right there. I'm the man. I'm the king of the house. That's how we gotta be with our women, man, and our families, man. You gotta look up to something, man. Alright? So let's go with this message. I know it's a lot different from what I usually talk about, but I need y'all to see what's going on. You know
Yeah, now we gotta leave because we got the face.
Yeah, and I look crazy right now. I mean, y'all can see I'm in the beach, man. I ain't trying to look at all that. Hair crazy and all that. It's all good. But it's about the message, yeah. Shout out to Hassan Campbell. Shout out to what's my boy name? Artist Morrison for keeping it real and keeping things real and positive. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, my boy, I like Kwame Brown too, and All True Facts, ATL. Alright? All True Facts, ATF. You gotta follow that man. He all about the grind in a positive way. So please follow him, y'all. With that said, I'm out. Sorry, my camera got a little wet.
Yo, Deuces, you already know. Come on, next Monty, yeah, family.
Yeah, see, he's
Strong
out
lifestyle,
the hood.
homeboy.
He's out the
You
hood.
already know.
Working on it, guys.
Fees in the pack, you already
Fees in the
know.
pack.
Strong lifestyle.
Yeah, so Storm Lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? You gotta check that out and put it all in the description box.
You already
Son
know.
over here. You know what I
On the
mean?
Fall Rock, yeah?
Yeah, bro. Far Rock. On a positive note, though, guys. Not on some, trying to start trouble. Far Rock got a lot to offer. People see the thing in the air. They're hand gliding. In the water surfing. You know what I'm saying? Got the sea views out. Got the beautiful sun. Everything.